Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And as you can see, I'm not working on my truck, I'm driving somewhere. Me and my friends were planning to go off-roading for a little trip to the lake for quite a few weeks. And today is the day. Unfortunately, it's raining, but we decided to go anyways. So let's see what's gonna happen. Hopefully maybe the rain's gonna stop, because we're also bringing the grill. We're planning to do some grilling by the lake to have some lunch over there, but we'll see. So now I'm just gonna drive there to meet with my friends, and then we're gonna hit the trail. So hopefully everything's gonna go all right. Here we are approaching the entrance to the trail. So my friends are probably already there waiting for me, or maybe not all of them have arrived yet, but we're gonna find out in a minute. So let's see how we all gonna do on a trail. I'm probably not even gonna air it down, because this trail is not really hard or anything. It's a very easy trail, and I've been there quite a few times, so I know what to expect. But sometimes unexpected happens. But anyways, I don't think I need to air down. Alright everyone, so we are here on the trail. We're setting up the little camp now. So me and my friends, we have a little tent setting up over there. So gonna take out the grill, start cooking. And here we are by the lake. I really like coming to this place. Today is only 3 trucks, but that's alright. This place is very beautiful, even in when it's raining. Alright, we're almost done setting up the tent, so now gonna take the grill out, gonna take some food out, and gonna start cooking. That's our setup over here, so it's gonna protect us from the rain, hopefully. So buddy of ours wants to go into the water, into that lake. So that should be fun to watch. Oh, oh. Yeah. Help!
How is it coming? I'm surprised. I really am surprised.
boy. Picked up some more over here.
I like this one. I bought that one yesterday from some dude in Jersey, close to Philly. Yeah? Yeah.
I really like coming to this place. So now we just had a good lunch over here with some hot dogs and burgers, and just sitting, relaxing, played with some RC cards, and gonna start heading back and explore a little more over here. Alright, and we are done over here camping, just picking up now. At the same time, just cleaning up, picking up the garbage from other people, because not everybody is perfect. Because some people are just come and they litter, and that's not good. Anyways, gonna pick up the garbage, gonna pack up the tents, and start driving again. And we are back on a trail, heading back home slowly over these puddles. We had a good time. Grilled some food over there, sat by the fire. It was all nice. Now we just over here, going over big puddles. A lot of fun. Even though it rained today, almost non-stop, but it was part of the fun.